channel Career Sathi. Hope you are doing well. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about the shortcuts of MS Excel. Before starting with this video, let me give you a brief description about what is MS Excel. So, MS Excel is one of the widely used MS Office application developed by Microsoft Corporation. It is in the form of a spreadsheet program containing number of rows and columns. Each intersection of a row and a column is called a cell. Data organized in this format is very easy and handy for documentation and data analysis and gather insights. So let's start with this video. So here in this spreadsheet, so this is called an Excel. Here you can see there are various tabs like file, which from where you can save your application, and there are many more other options available. So we'll don't go into this. So here is a home tab, and this is called a ribbon. This is the formula bar. This is the cell reference bar, where you can change the reference number of the cell to go directly to that cell. This is sheet 1. Here you can add various number of sheets through this plus sign you can see. This is the scroll bar, and this is the insert tab, which is used for inserting tables, pictures, various kinds of graphical data representation such as pie chart, bar chart, line chart, pivot chart, line diagram, and others. This is the page layout, where you can set the layout of the page, like what you want the margin, what should be the size of the page, A4, A3, backgrounds, print area. This is the formula tab, where there are various numbers of formulas like auto sum, maths and trigonometric formulas if you want to use, date and time formulas if you want to use. This is the data part, where the most of the data analysis tools are available, like filter, remove duplicates. Like if a spreadsheet contains number of duplicate entries, so you can remove all those duplicate entries with the remove duplicate option, right? This is the review tab, where you can check the where you can run various checks like spelling check, workbook statistics, insert comments, etc. This is the view tab, where you can arrange how you want to view your Excel sheet. Like this is the zoom in, zoom out options, they're here. And this is the freeze pin options, where you can freeze one of the panes and scroll down the Excel sheet. Okay, so let's start with one of the most simplest formula used in the Excel. So here you can see I have put some names of salesman, the region which they represent, and the sales target which they have met or which they need to met. So considering this, if you want to check the total sales of the company, what we can do is we can either use this formula, where equal to sum of, we have to select the cell references, that is from C2 to C9, bracket close, and enter. So here we can see that the total of total sales of the company is 21,700, right? This is one of the method of doing sum. Let's check one of the other method of doing sum. Just select the cell references, that is from C2 to C9, go here in the auto sum. See, this is one of the most used shortcuts in the Excel. Another kind of shortcut is let's suppose you want to undo the changes you have done in the Excel till now. So one of the shortcut is Control Z. See, you have undo the changes, and if you redo the changes, the shortcut is Control plus Y. See, the changes have been redone, right? Now the next thing is if you want to insert an extra sheet, like there is a sheet 1, and if you want to insert an extra sheet, the shortcut is Shift F11. See, here you can see an extra sheet is added, sheet 1, sheet 2. shift press F11, sheet 3, right? So in this way you can add various number of sheets in the Excel. Let's say you want to select this table. So what you can do is click on one of the cell, press Ctrl plus A. This will select the table. And if you want to select the total spreadsheet, press Ctrl plus A once again. It will select the total spreadsheet. Now let's say you want to select any one of the rows. So what you can do is click on the row which you want to select, press Shift plus space. It will select the row. Similarly, if you let's say select one of the columns, press Ctrl plus space. It will select the column. Let's say you have inserted few sheets like F11, okay, and now from here you want to go to the next worksheet. Press Ctrl plus page down. It will switch to the next worksheet, right? You can see here that we are switching from sheet number 6 to sheet number 5 to sheet number 4, sheet number 1. Similarly, if you press Ctrl plus page up, you can switch backwards. Let's say you want to delete some duplicate entries in this sheet, right? Click on the column, go to data, remove duplicates. Here select expand the selection and remove duplicates. See, we have removed the 4 duplicate entries that were mentioned in this table, right? So if you want to add border to this data, like if you want to add border to this data, what we have to do is press Control Shift and ampersand. See, there is a border added in this table, right? So guys, this is all for today. These are some of the handful shortcuts which you can use in Excel for better understanding and data analysis and documentation. Hope you find this video useful and informative. If you find this video informative, do like, share and subscribe to our channel Career Sathi. Thank you and have a nice day.